Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to take screenshot of one-time message on WhatsApp. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your mobile device, your iOS or your Android, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your WhatsApp. Okay. So once you've done that, you don't need to view the message, okay? So before you do that, I'm just gonna show you the two ways to take a screenshot. So the first way is to open your browser and search for famiguard.com. So now as you can see here, advanced iPhone monitoring app FamiGuard Pro for iOS is an iPhone/iPad monitoring app that provides more than 20 features without jailbreaking. Okay, and here you can use FamiGuard Pro for Android, FamiGuard Pro for iOS, FamiGuard for WhatsApp, and FamiGuard. So here you need to choose the FamiGuard for WhatsApp. It checks more than 10 WhatsApp data types and no root for WhatsApp monitoring. So just go ahead and use this and it should help you with this problem. Or okay. So the second way to take a photo of the message is by using another device. Okay. So once you've opened the message, just go ahead and use another device to take a picture of it. But the problem is it is not clearer than taking a screenshot. But as we all know, you cannot take a screenshot in this kind of conversation. So that is the ways on taking a screenshot of one-time message on WhatsApp. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.